Okay, so we exposed a little bit of the rust here. We're just getting the windshield taken out right now.
Oh.
Okay. It's not the proper way to do it, but it's out. Well, guys, it's rusty. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on getting the fenders off. Snap that one. Snap that one too. Snapped another one. All right, so first fender's out.
This one's seen better days, so we'll definitely replace that.
Fuel filler's off. Now time for the rear bumper. Okay, so I just got the bed off the truck. That's gonna conclude part one. Stay tuned for part two.